Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to learn how to add and set up a collapsible text in Wix. So let's get right onto it. On your Wix Editor, go to the plus button over here. And then select text. Then go to Collapsible Text and choose from different collapsible texts you'd like to use. Once you select one, just simply drag it onto your page. And then resize it however you like. Position it properly as well. Now, to edit your text, just click on your collapsible text box and click on Change Text. Once you do that, this small window will appear. Next, set up the things below as well. What does the button do? Would you like it to expand? Or would you like readers to be redirected to a link? Just select an option. In my case, I'd like to expand it. For the expand button text, you can change it. For example, it can say read more, or you can also say expand, or you can also say see more. It depends on you. But I think read more is okay. In text, this is kind of like the opposite of read more. So if the reader would like to close or collapse your collapsible text box, then this is what they'll see. You can write read less or see less, something like that. But I think read less would be okay for me. And for accessibility, you can add a short description of what your text is all about right over here. And you can also choose an HTML tag right over here. If you chose link, then you'll have the option to set up the same things except that you have to insert a link over here. So click on this button and depending on what you'd like to link to, choose an option here. In this example, we're just going to click on the web address option and paste your URL over here. How does it open? I recommend new window here so that it's more convenient for your readers or visitors. And if you'd like to see advanced SEO settings, then you can go ahead and click on this too. Once you're done, you can just simply click on Done. And we can now close this window. If you'd like to learn how to customize or design your collapsible text, we've made another tutorial for that. Feel free to watch our next video entitled How to Design Your Collapsible Text in the Wix Editor. By the way, don't forget to save your changes. And if you're ready to publish your changes as well, you can go ahead and click on the Publish button. And that's it for today. We hope you found today's video of help somehow, and if you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching.